That sounded like hatched doors. Do you smell it? That smell. A kind of smelly smell. A smelly smell that smells smelly. Anchovies.
Nosferatu!
Hey guys, what's up? So the time we're showing the top best Jailbreak treats for iOS 11 up to iOS 16. The first week is called AppSync Unified. So this is definitely a tweak that every jailbroken user should have installed on the device. So it's Unified AppSync Dynamic Library for iOS 5 up to iOS 16. So pretty much it's a tweak that allows users to freely install ad hoc signed, face signed, or unsigned IPA app packages on an iOS device that iOS would otherwise consider invalid. So pretty much, you see right here also installing freely distributed apps that are available from the App Store without having to re-sign the apps in question every 7 days if the user does not have a subscription to the Apple Developer Program, assistant in the development of iOS applications with Xcode, clone or downgrade already installed apps. So yes, you can clone or downgrade already installed apps, which is pretty amazing. That's why tweets like App Store Plus Plus come in and all that, because you get the downgrade and all that, which is pretty cool. But also, clone apps, you can have two versions of the same exact app, which is pretty cool. But the main reason why I use this tweak is pretty much because I get to, or anyone has this tweak, you get to install IPAs or apps that are not even signed, that you technically, Apple will not let you install. But if you don't have a jailbreak, obviously you can't install them, give you an error. But with this tweak, you can install any app or IPA like that supports obviously iPhones, iOS, without it being signed, which is pretty amazing. And also, even when you install it when it's not signed, you don't have to re-sign it after 7 days or however. You can have as long as you're jailbroken state, you can always open up the app or game that you installed when it was not signed. Even if you install it when it was signed and it's not signed anymore, it stays on your device forever. Like, how do you go into the app or game, it'll say, oh, the developer thing will come up, or a prompt will come saying that you can't open anymore because the certificate has expired. With this tweak, it bypasses that. That doesn't come up. You can open the app or game as long as you want, forever, as long as you're in a jailbroken state. So yeah, really, really cool. Definitely, everyone should have this tweak. This tweak is called Bye Bye App Library, and this tweak allows you to disable the ability to swipe over and go to the app library. Also has the option to keep empty folders. And to keep open folder rotations all in one folder. So supports iOS 14 to 16.s, rootless jailbreaks like Dopamine and Palera1n rootless, and probably XinaA15. So some screenshots of the tweak. Gets rid of your app library. Pretty cool. I like the glowy effect. Alright, this week is called What to Do 3 for WhatsApp, and it's compatible with iOS 11 up to iOS 16. It makes WhatsApp easier and simpler to use, allowing you to change every part of the app to satisfy your needs. You have privacy features, which you guys can read for yourself, protection features, status features, chat list features, general media, user interface, notifications, theme, message scheduler, auto reply, hide chats, contact spoofing, custom tones, stickers, manager. So if you use WhatsApp a lot, which a lot of people, WhatsApp is really popular, a lot of people use it. This is definitely a tweak that you guys want to have if you use WhatsApp a lot. There's so many cool features. It does support iOS 14 and above. Downloads have over 17,000 downloads. Pretty cool. OTA enabler. So with this tweak, there's also a rootless one on version 0.4.2. It's a rootless one. It re-enables OTA software updates. Alright, this tweak's called Dynamic Peninsula, and gets dynamic island effects on your notch, so it brings most of the iPhone 14 Pro's dynamic island effects on all notch devices. So enjoy the dynamic peninsula fluid animations on your iPhone X, XS, iPhone 11, 12, 13, and so on. You can also enable a fake notch and have it work on older devices that don't have the notch, like the iPhone 6, 7, 8, etc. So you also get fluid animated user interfaces for the following items, which you guys can read for yourself. All the dark bolded words you guys can read, and compatible with all notch iPhones, iPhone X and up, supporting iOS 12 to 16, OLED or LCD. So, some screenshots. It's called 361 multi-account master, and supports iOS 7 to iOS 16. You can switch accounts on the apps like Facebook, Twitter, WeChat, WhatsApp, Tinder, faster than ever. So, yep, supports these devices right here. So yeah, it's pretty much like a Crane alternative in a way. You get to have multi-accounts for your apps, for tools, and help with tools for the fast forward tweets. Bootstrap fits, which fits is Rocket Bootstrap, I believe on like iOS 15 and above. Viva City, and this is a vibrant theme to light up your device. So it supports all iOS versions, and this is what the theme looks like. Pretty cool. Last tweet called Live Phosphor Utils. It's basic utilities for the Phosphor tweets. Supports iOS 11 to 16.2. Add library required by all Phosphor tweets, version 1.4.0. So you guys, thank you so much for watching. Catch you guys in the next one. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace.